Time now for the Blitz. First up, Dillard's having its worst day in nearly a year after reporting earnings. Joe?
Well, let's put this in context. First of all, department stores have done incredibly well over the last 18 months, but I'm going to follow Jim.
Not over the last 18 hours.
I'm going to follow Jim Cramer's strategy on this. Jim talked about the potential for these names to pull back. You want to wait, let them settle in, and then you'll get in them again. The moment is not now, but clearly department stores, they are pulling back, and money that was allocated to them, that's going somewhere else, and I'll share with you later in the show where I think it's going.
Okay, Symantec is up today. Starboard taking a near 6% stake. They plan, Doc, to seek 5 board seats.
Yeah, well, these guys announced that internal investigation, Judge, back in May. Stock fell from 29 down into the teens. Obviously, some smart people have been buying it down there, including Appaloosa. They've been an aggressive buyer, allegedly, according to the most recent filings. So I think it's got a lot of upside from this just below 20 level.
Okay. Autonomous car supplier Aptiv is up 8% year to date, and it's one of your top picks.
It is.
Deanna Barton.
It's a $24 billion company that's sort of a gem in the sweet spot of autonomous vehicles. We've talked about active safety, infotainment, shared mobility. These guys provide the sort of the guts of the car, provide all the components. It's trading 1 multiple below the market and has just as good of growth.
Okay.
Who's the biggest customer in the OEMs?
All the OEMs are.
They're all working with them?
Yeah,
Okay.
and they're partnering with Uber and Lyft and others on the shared mobility side.
Great story.
All right, Lululemon upgraded to a buy at Argus Research. Josh, it's yours.
Yeah, I've been very positive on the stock. Unfortunately, I've not been in it, which is a shame because it's done really well. But I've been shopping there. And I got to tell you, I really think that this is a company that figured out their challenges and then went beyond, not only turned itself around, but figured out whole new avenues for growth. And it's just not stopping. So I understand there are competitive threats. There always will be. It's apparel. I understand one day they'll get the fashion wrong, but they haven't yet. And so I think longs are being rewarded. The technicals look as good as the fundamentals.
All right, let's game NVIDIA, Sarat. Earnings after the bell.
Earnings, I think it's
I
all
want to kick this around a little bit too, but talk to me.
It's all going to be about expectations at this point. I mean, it's really where the focus is, where the growth is going to be. Is it the gaming side? Is it the server side? We like this company. I think if it pulls back for non-fundamental reasons, it's a great opportunity to get into a very high-class company.
Josh?
Yeah.
The shareholder.
Listen, you look at the last 8 quarters they've reported, the last 12 quarters they've reported. It seems like 1 out of 4 is a quarter where the stock gets hammered after. Maybe this will be the case after this one. But the recovery time is very fast because people understand that it's not a quarter-to-quarter story. It's a secular story. It is above and beyond anything going on with any other publicly traded semi name. And the CUDA software platform, most importantly, will be the de facto standard for all of the next generation technologies, and that is an NVIDIA specific platform. So I think if there is a sell-off, I would take advantage.